Alright y'all, we're back with another video, another cabin tour for you. This time we're on the Carnival Vista. Just before I take off on my solo travels, my sisters and I decided to take a girls cruise. I've actually never cruised with both of my sisters before, so this is a treat for us, all three of us together at the same time, and we had a blast. Now at the time of this cruise, I was still using a scooter, and I did book an interior accessible room right around the corner so we could be close. They booked this interior room right across from me, and they've agreed to let us take a peek in their cabin. So if you are going to be booking a cabin 8439 or another cabin over on Vista that's in the same category, this is pretty much what you can expect. And I just wanted to bring up a few things about this cabin before we go into the full tour. One thing I want to add to the video that we didn't talk about because we didn't realize it until a few days in, but this cabin here is a connecting stateroom, which means it does have an interior door between it and the cabin next to it. Those are great for families. Booking these cabins next to each other is perfect. However, we were not familiar with the people next door, and unfortunately we found out that the neighbor snores, and he was snoring really loudly, so make sure you look in the brochure or check with your travel agent before you book big minus for this cabin. We love the location of this cabin. So when you look at different videos about cruise cabins, one of the things that they'll tell you is the best place to have a cabin is when there is no public areas above you, no public areas below you, and you have other cabins on both sides of you. If noise is a factor for you, before you book your cruise, take a look at the brochure, see what's above the cabin, what's below, and what's on each side of the cabin. For this cabin category, the square footage is about 175 square feet. Once you're done with this video, if you want to see the difference in the accessible stateroom, which was my stateroom right around the corner, I'll put a link for it before the end of this video. And for those of you who don't already know, my name's Linnell. I retired at the age of 53. I quit my corporate job. I sold everything, and I'm traveling full-time on cruise ships for the next year. If this interests you and you want to follow my journey, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video. With that being said, let's go take a look at this cabin. Cabin 8439 in Carnival Vista. Hello.
Hello.
We are doing an interview for people who are residing on Carnival Vista that are in the
No, thank you.
What status are you? Platinum? May we interview you and see your cabin,
I have a
please?
complaint because platinum people are supposed to get their luggage first. Do you see luggage?
No, I don't see luggage.
Do you have your luggage?
I do not.
Well, shame on them. I see you got your premiere stuff.
I do have my premiere stuff.
Oh, come on in.
Okay. Can we take a tour?
Sure.
Cabin 8439. This is the interior. All right, so first thing, as usual, as normal, closet over here on the right, bathroom on the left. So let's see what y'all closet look like.
Do you have the same room?
Nope, I'll show y'all my room.
Oh,
I have accessible room, so it's different. So we got a closet here, same as in my room. You got some shelving there, some drawers here, stuff for your items to hang up. This one is a little different than the than cabin 8481. There's no bar here to hang stuff low, so that's one of the differences. But they got plenty of hangers, but they have these hangers where it's more than one on each thing, and I'm about to mess this up.
what's that? That's hanging up. What is that hanging up?
What do you mean? Oh, this right here? Yeah, this right here, make sure the door doesn't slam up against the other door. So they put a little bungee cord thing in here. Yeah.
That's in your
I guess,
room, too?
no, but my closet is not by the door.
Did somebody bring that and leave it?
No, because it's screwed in there
You sure it's not a
on both
magnet?
sides. 100% sure that's not a magnet. Yeah, see, it even has the screw thing in here. And it's on this other side too.
I ain't never
Yeah,
seen
the
that
other
before.
side has it too. Your laundry bags. I don't know if we're going to be doing laundry.
Platinum people get free laundry.
Rude.
They do. But
They
don't get their luggage on time.
Apparently not. Priority luggage doesn't come priority. Not a priority. They got same as far as outlets. You get 2 regular US outlets, 1 European outlet, and 2 USB. Your phone, mirror, your seat for your desk. 2 beds. Y'all both have a nightstand? Yes. Did y'all check y'all nightstand? I had stuff in my nightstand.
Really?
I think it's extra sheets in case you separate the bed. Do y'all not have outlets over here?
No, they don't have outlets.
Okay, so that's one of the differences. They don't have any outlets
None of
above their
Carnival older
bed.
ships have outlets.
Mine have outlets on both sides, 2 on this and 2 on that.
Accessible room.
So, and then the light switch, that it controls the entire room. Yep. All right. Nice little fancy picture up here. Did Shaq welcome y'all in? Was Shaq on the TV when y'all came?
Go search for my bags.
Oh, okay. Oh, they got some extra shelves here. I don't have these shelves. I have a little table instead of mine. But they have some shelves here for storage. And their mini fridge is right over here. Let's see. Remember, folks, this is not a refrigerator. It is a mini fridge.
Yes, it is.
It is not going to be cold. It's barely cool. Let's see here.
They got the blow dryer in their drawer.
Y'all got a blow dryer in y'all drawer too? Let me see what it looks like. So is it like mine where you cannot take it out, so you can't even store nothing else in there? I mean, unless you put it like this and then push it, but then you're taking up room on the desk. So yeah, it's really no purpose of having a drawer except for the blow dryer. I guess a few little other things could fit in there, but not much. And all right, their thermostat is different. Mine is a pull up and down thing, and theirs is digital. Why did it go off? I made it cooler. Were y'all trying to make it warmer?
We were trying to make it comfortable because it was just 5 degrees when we came in here.
Oh, so y'all did make it warmer. Okay.
Not much, just leave this fine just like that.
Here's an opportunity for Carnival. Y'all ain't put but 1 hook in this room. Why?
There's probably some on the door. Open the door.
We need some hooks.
The bathroom.
But, yeah, none outside of the room. In the bathroom, we have 3 right here. And so, yeah, 3 hooks there and just this 1. I think we could probably use maybe 2 or 3 more outside of the bathroom. The shower, standard shower. It's a little bit bigger than the one at Royal Caribbean on Allure of the Seas, I think. What you think, Kim?
They shower?
Yeah, this shower here is a little bit bigger than that little capsule thing we had.
Yeah, but it's more fancy.
The shower has a shower bar here to hold on to. Your normal controls where turn on and off here, and this here you can see the temperature settings: 45 degrees, 50 degrees, 38 degrees. Standard shower head, soap dish holder, and this I don't remember seeing this in the on Allure of the Seas.
They're on every ship.
Did you see this on Allure? I don't think Allure has these. Kim, the clothesline.
No, I ain't
No, it did not have a clothesline. I'm gonna go back and look at the video to make sure, but so yeah, you have this clothesline. Bring it over there. It says your shower, they want you to set it to 38 degrees. So if you like it a little warmer, that's fine. Just make sure you test it, because they not gonna let you sue them if you burn yourself. They have the razor outlet up there. They got a lot of shelves for towel bars. Most of the time I only see 1 towel bar in the bathroom. This one has 2. They got 6 shelves in the bathroom. 3 on each side. A lot of extra shelving at the bottom. So this one has for the sink stopper. Push it up and down. Is it working? It's not going up and down. So y'all sink stopper not going up and down. What's the purpose of it? This bathroom does not have a toilet brush.
Now we decided me and Sarah gonna do karaoke. We didn't decide.
First of all, I can't sing regular. You know I ain't finna sing right now. Oh, they got a toilet brush right down there.
you do it on the screen. Now, I made us a bingo card just so you know. You gotta play bingo.
So that's pretty much it, y'all. It's a regular old standard cabin. It's for regular old folks that's not special like me. So if you want a nicer cabin, go to 8481. If you want this regular old cabin, 8439, that's what you get. Bye.